here, and today I have a package opening video. Ooh, and a really awesome little sneak peek of something, but we'll do the package first. Alright, so I've already opened it because I didn't recognize the address, so I just had a peek. So this one is from HV Logic, and we set up a challenge lock exchange. So let's see what we have. All right. First is Diamondback Sturgeon by Lock Affinity. Mummified little key there. That's his number one. So this is a cool lock that I saw at the locksmith when I went a couple of weeks ago. It's a 83 series, but it's a 8340. So this one is unnamed by Biles. Just a cool LW C4 keyway. Alright, so Poppy Coconuts by, I think that's Jason Carlson. If I am incorrect, someone let me know. So not too, oh, it's got some engraving on there. How cool. Looks lovely. Alright, then we got number one by Ashley Gavin. It's a Yale. That's cool. Oh, that is smooth. A half euro. Haven't picked many of those. Picked a whole heap of ovals and whatnot, but not cut euros. Alright, Down Breaker by ZM78. Oh, that is a lovely old Lockwood All Brass 590, I think. It's an old school Lockwood Oval. All brass, looks lovely. Number 45 by Daz Evers. Another old, a little, I think this is 90s. Lockwood by Daz Evers. Beautiful. These have really good tolerances, so that's going to be a tough one. So, Painkiller by Jason Carlson. Yale. Now that is some pretty tough bitting. Jeez. Alright, well, that one's going to be a hard one. Next is Shimney by Pryor. Shimney, I think. Alright, and got a Schlag style keyway. Oh, a little sticky. Oh boy. Oh. Alright, let's just leave him alone for now. There we go. some deceptive bitting. I think that is going to be a tough one. All right, we got challenge lock number 4 by 3 Ghost Locks. Looks like a C4-ish keyway. It's a quick set. All right, that is challenge lock number 4. Oh, and gee whiz. Gee whiz, we ate one tool. Oh, Schlag, State of California, do not duplicate. Huh. So that might be a, one of their restricted keyways. Oh, betting. That's just rude. Wow. Kick holder, water cylinder. Lovely. All right. Let's get those aside. I do have some more picks ready, but I'll do a separate video on those. Anyway, yep. All right, what was it? Yes. So I'll put a little flash up on screen about the exciting collaboration that me and Bare Bones Lockpicks have done. So they are going to be out, I think, middle end of next month. But yeah, so Mark and I, he asked for my help to design some deeper hooks, and yeah, so they've got my name on them, so I'm super happy about that. And I will have some of the picks to review coming up in the next week or so. So more info to come about the release date and all that. But yeah, I am super excited to have some of my picks commercially available with Bare Bones picks. That is absolutely brilliant. So yeah, more info on those in upcoming videos. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Hard cut. Yeah, just got a phone call. I'll just do a little quick update on all the all the cool little holders that I've been making to try and organise my wall of ovals. Oh, watch out, Dexter. And the Goombas. Yeah, so I'm printing them, you know, they take about 45 minutes each, so slowly getting there. Got my rim cylinders up there. So this is a part that I downloaded, but these guys here are one that I designed. So that's in the wrong way, so it's not a really good example. So it's got a little hole in the back there, so you can put the normal little restrictor pin in there, and that will, it is a tight fit, so they're not going anywhere. But yeah, so just making random stuff to organize my lock club a little bit. Got this guy here, got a massive bum for some reason. Yeah, cool 3D printed gear. More of my core holders. This one here, designed by Panda Frog. So that is for these cylinders, when they're not just. The other thing, well, I I do have to show these because these came out bloody lovely. Couple skull pitting trays. Absolutely gorgeous these ones come out. And the other thing that's Mr. Panda Frog design that I printed was this pig stand. So yeah, so these were on Thingiverse. Oh, and this one is done by Mr. Panda Frog. So how cool is that? All right, yeah, so that is, oh, there we go, all for my little show and tell. And yeah, updates videos will come when I know more information about the release date of the picks through Barebones Lockpicks. And yeah, any questions, comments, chuck them down below. Until next time, guys, stay well, stay safe, stay sane. Hooroo.